Hi, I'm Patrick, service engineer for Indian Motorcycle. Today I'm going to give you a few tips to help prolong the life of your Indian battery and ensure it's ready when you strap on that helmet. Your Indian motorcycle is equipped with an AGM type battery, picked for its superior vibration resistance, lightweight, and high amperage output. Indian Motorcycle recommends using Battery Minder 2012 AGM 2-amp battery charger to charge and maintain AGM batteries and is suitable for both full-size Indian batteries and Scout batteries. It charges batteries with a low charge, maintains batteries not in use, and also has a desulfation mode to combat the formation of sulfate crystals which shorten your battery's useful life. You can find it in the Indian Motorcycle Accessories store online. Please note that this is a specialized AGM specific charger and should not be used with flooded lead-acid batteries. Many Indian motorcycles are equipped with a battery tender lead under the side cover. This provides a convenient way to charge the battery when not in use without requiring tools or direct battery access. The nominal voltage for an Indian motorcycle battery is 12.8 volts when fully charged. The battery will self-discharge when disconnected from a vehicle and will discharge at a faster rate when connected. If the battery voltage falls below 12.5 volts, it's important to get it on a charger. As a general rule of thumb, if the vehicle will not be driven for more than 2 weeks, maintaining the battery with the appropriate charger is recommended. And remember, always wait for the charger to complete the charge cycle before disconnecting it. If the charger fails to initiate its charging cycle, it's possible the battery voltage has dropped below the threshold recognized by the charger. Oftentimes, deeply discharged batteries can be restored using a fully charged battery to jumpstart in the same way that you would jumpstart the batteries inside a vehicle. To do this, carefully connect the two batteries' positive terminals, then the negative terminals using jumper cables. Connect the recommended battery charger to the low battery and initiate the charging sequence. After the charging sequence is initiated, the charged battery can be disconnected. Always disconnect the fully charged battery positive first, followed by the low battery positive, low battery negative, and finally, fully charged battery negative. Remember to let the charger complete its charging cycle before using the restored battery. As we wrap up this video, I'd like to leave you with a few other general battery maintenance tips to avoid a dead battery and all the hassle that goes along with it. Make sure battery connections are tight. This will reduce voltage drop and ensure a reliable connection between the alternator and battery. Batteries will self-discharge more quickly when dirty. Periodically, wash terminals with a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 cup water. Rinse well with tap water and dry off with clean shop towels. Coat the terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. And remember to remove the battery from vehicles stored 1 month or longer and store them in a cool, dry location. Not a bad idea to hook up the battery charger every 60 days to make sure it's ready for the next ride.